Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Amigo app request time out error. As you can see on my screen, so a lot of people have been facing these issues recently, like this error request timeout, which is just going to keep popping up on your screen and not going to allow you to make use or to get access into Amigo's app. Though you are not the only one facing this issue. I think it's from Amigo's app because I feel like they're trying to get new features or update their app, so that's why it's actually having this issue. So I'm going to show you how to actually fix that. First of all, you have to make sure your app is updated. Your Amigo app is updated, like by going to your Play Store and search for Amigo to be sure your Amigo app is updated. Search for it and you see mine is up to date. So after doing this and you're sure you don't have any updates, you can now go to your settings, right? Go to your settings right there and scroll down to apps so that you'll be able to clear up your cache on Amino app, sorry, right? So now scroll to storage and clear cache and data as well to clear up any bug issue it's actually facing. Yeah, so this is actually how to do it before we can now wait for Amigo to update their app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.